I'm out here next to the Atlantic Ocean, contemplating 5D perceptions. How comfortable are you in your shoes? That's 5D. How comfortable are you in your life? That's 5D. So imagine you find some shoes. Go in your closet. What were your favorite shoes? What were you most comfortable in? Maybe they're the most worn out. They've got all the ugly and dirties attached to them. But those shoes felt great when wearing them. It may be a beautiful pair of gorgeous shoes, but when you wear them, they're really hard to get in. They're painful. You get bunions and ingrown toenails, calluses all over your foot, all over your feet. The person wearing those shoes is who? It's always you. So think about your shoes as your life. If you feel comfortable in your shoes, if you're comfortable with your life, then that's amazing. Share that thought with friends. Maybe they can become equally as comfortable. Maybe your life is a shoe that's not fitting right. It's very uncomfortable. You get the decision to change your shoes, change your life, change your thinking. And maybe the first thing to do is to take off that tight shoe, whatever it is that constricts you, and maybe give your foot lots of room to breathe. Put it in some water, soak it in Epsom salts. That's a spiritual energy of how you live your life. It's just the same way as you wear your shoes. You should be comfortable in your life. That's 5D. And if you're not, keep looking. It's right there. It's only a perception, and you're invited. Spiritual quest.